When most of the people hear about Zurich, they think about bank, luxury watches, they think about money, a clean modern city when everything moves exactly on time. Yes, that is exactly what I expected. But just wait a minute. In just a minute, I will tell you something different. Today, I find something very interesting that people are not talking about. That is Zurich Old Town. That is exactly the foundation of Zurich. That is where Zurich began. And if you come to Zurich, you have not yet gone to Zurich Old Town, you are missing everything completely. But before I continue, I really appreciate if you can support my channel by subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that I'll be making video, you'll be getting the notification. With that being said, thank you. Immediately, I passed through a narrow street. The noises disappear. The building becomes so old. Then entering another neighborhood. And I feel like more walking in another century. Today I'm going to expose Switzerland's most beautiful place to be. You are going to see the hidden street, the unforgettable view, the local neighborhood, the story that make this city so far interesting than I have ever imagined. So stay with me to the end because this video is going to change how you see Zurich. Chapter 1, First Impression. There are some cities that impress you immediately. Zurich does something different. It slowly pulls you in. The first thing I noticed, it wasn't a famous landmark, but fear. People weren't rushing. No loud traffic. Just a footstep of people walking in the old stone. Then I also heard a church bell in the distance ringing. And when you look around, you see people sitting in the cafe shop drinking coffee. Here in the old city, you see some of the buildings they are more than 100 years ago, and they're still standing good. Generation coming and generation going. All this building quietly remain. I love this place that does not need to prove anything, just simply existing. I have been here just for a short time now, and honestly, this place is totally different from Zurich itself. It is amazing how everything slowly changed at once. When you stop looking at famous attraction, you start noticing beauty everywhere. What is the first thing you notice when you visit historical city? The architecture, the people, the atmosphere. Tell me in the comment section, please. Chapter 2, Getting Lost on Purpose. One of the right way to explore any city is without a map. Sometimes the best experience happen after making a wrong turn. Zurich town is full of tiny streets. Some are only tiny few wide. Every corner feel different. Some streets are lively and some are completely silent. And that is exploring this city excited. You know the next corner. I have find a colorful suitor, small stone, family runs the cafe, hidden courtyard. Travel is not always finding the big attraction. Sometimes it's about discovering interesting places and educated places. Those are the memory that stay with you for long. I honestly have no idea where this alley goes, but it looks interesting. Let's find out as we keep on walking. Chapter number 3, the Limmat River. Every great city has something to bring it together. As for Zurich, it is the Limmat River. Standing here, it is easy to understand why this city grew exactly where it is. The water reflects everything around it. Old churches, historical building, modern life. It is like looking at the two versions of Zurich at the same time. One side reminds you of the future, and the other quietly hold you into the past. Watching boat around the river make everything feel calm. Nobody seems to be in the hurry. People sit in the river bank, friends talking and laughing together, visitors taking photo and selfie. Life here simply unfolds. Sometimes traveling is not about doing more, but it is about slowing down to know actually where you are and to notice it. Well, I think that is something Zurich understands really well. Chapter number 4, the view that changed everything. I have heard people saying this is one of the best view point of Zurich. Okay, let's see if that is right. The higher I walk, the quieter everything become. Then suddenly the view open up. Wow. Now I understand. From here, you can see the rooftop crossing across the city. Church tower rising into the sky. The river winding peacefully. Not because nothing is happening, but because everything seems perfect balance. This is one of those places where people naturally stop talking. Nobody rush, nobody check at the time. Everyone simply enjoying the moment. Travel have a strange way of remembering us that we don't always need entertainment sometimes. A beautiful view is enough. Chapter number 5, a taste of Zurich. Exploring always wake up an appetite. Zurich know how to slow down people with good food. Whether it is a sweet chocolate, which Switzerland are good in it, or a warm cafe. There is something confronting about taking a break there. One nothing in Europe, people don't rush meal. They enjoy their meal, slow discussion that matter. The atmosphere also matter, and honestly, I think there is something so cool and good. Traveling is not just about seeing places. I think traveling also is about learning many things. Even something as simply sitting outside with a cup of coffee becoming part of the journey. Also, chapter number 6, when the sun goes down. As evening arrives, Zurich change again. Then you see the cloud become smaller, the light become warmer, the street became quieter. Also, like the city started whispering instead of talking. Walking through Old Town at night feel completely different from the daytime. Then you will see the river reflect the city like a mirror. Everything feel more intimacy. If I had to choose, I honestly don't even know which version I would prefer. Because the daytime showed me beautiful, the night let me feel it. If you have ever visited a place that felt completely different after the sunset, you will know what I'm talking about. Chapter number 7, the final reflection. So when I arrived this morning, I thought I knew what Zurich could be. A modern financial city, beautiful, organized, efficient, all of that is true. But that is only half story. The other half story live here. Inside quiet city, historical building, old bridge, hidden corner, and a moment that can never be planned. That is what I love most about traveling. Sometimes the destination give you exactly what you expected. Sometimes it give you something even better than. Today Zurich surprised me. Maybe you too, that is the best souvenir you can bring home. If you enjoy exploring Zurich Old Town with me, I would love you to join me in my next adventure. There are so many incredible places waiting to be discovered, and this is only the beginning. If this video helped you to see Zurich differently, let me know by leaving a comment. Or is Zurich now on your travel list? If you enjoyed this journey with me, subscribe to Kintrips so you don't miss the next destination. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wondering, keep remembering, and also remember the best traveling memories are often founded where you least expected.